Hi everyone, and welcome to Social Skills for Today. Today we are going to be talking about your feelings in different zones. We're going to focus on the blue zone today. What zone? Yeah, the blue zone. Some of you might have heard about the zones from some of your other teachers or some other students. We're going to use this to help us feel in our bodies how we can be ready for learning. Our learning target for today says, I can identify different feelings and what zone they belong in. On this slide, you are going to put your hands on your head like this if you have ever had this feeling before. And you can just put your hands in your lap if you've never had this feeling. If you felt happy, put your hands on your head. If you're sad, if you've ever felt sad, put your hands on your head. If you're feeling tired, put your hand on your head. If you're upset, if you've ever been upset, put your hands on your head. If you've ever been mad, put your hands on your head. Or if you've ever felt sick, put your hands on your head. Very good. Here are some of the symbols that go along with the zones of regulation. Now you'll notice they're different colors. I am only going to talk about one color today. Do you remember what zone? Yeah, the blue zone. Here is a picture, of the blue zone. Can you say blue zone? Very good. I have also put a picture here of myself in the blue zone. When you're in the blue zone, our bodies are feeling slow. Maybe like this. You might feel sad, sick, tired, or bored. Let's watch a little clip of a video of this character feeling in the blue zone.
I am quiet. My mom understands. She gave me 2 ice creams, and then we held hands. We went to the movies, and then had a bite. I cried just a little, and then I felt all right.
Now, let's look at the face of our character. Is she smiling? Does she have a mean look on her face? No, she just has a kind of a sad look. She's just okay. That's what it means or feels to be in the blue zone. Can you show me a way that you might be feeling in the blue zone? Remember, blue zone is if you're feeling tired or sick or bored. Yeah, show me with your body. Very good. In your seesaw activity, you will sort some blue zone emotions. So you might see sad, you might see tired, you might see happy. Wait, happy's not a blue zone emotion. You would move that emotion into the no column. So we are only practicing emotions in the blue zone today. Today, we worked on identifying different feelings and what zone they belong in, especially in the blue zone. Good luck!